And it occurred to me, if it is actually growing, there's got to be a way to actually slow it down and reverse it, right? And our thought was, what if we can understand the human body at a molecular level and find a way to use, guess what? Food as a medicine. What a new concept, right? To be able to actually understand what foods are good for you and what foods are not. People say, oh my God, such brilliant. And I tell them, that brilliant idea came 2,500 years ago when Hippocrates says, let food be thy medicine. So I am not inventing anything. I'm reinventing it.
Yes,
right?
yes.
And that's the beauty of the thing. So we say, look, what if we can understand and make illness optional? And why did we say make illness optional? Because I don't think I or you or anyone has power to eradicate chronic diseases. But each one of us has a power to do something about ourselves. That means being healthy is a choice. And that means being sick is a choice. And that's how you make it optional.